Hi, church family.
Hi, guys.
We're so excited to be here. It's VBS 2026.
Welcome to the jungle.
That's right.
We're Rainforest Falls. We are so grateful for you as a church and what has happened this week. It's been amazing. We've had 725 kids registered. Every day we've had over 670 kids on campus, 280 plus volunteers.
Whoop, whoop.
We just couldn't do it without you guys. We're so grateful to the church, the community. And guess what? Yesterday we shared the gospel with kids and we had almost 70 kids, 67 kids came forward and said, I want to make Jesus my king. And besides that, we had 35 kids that want to know more about Jesus. That's why we do what we do, sharing the gospel here in Boerne and around the world. We're so grateful. And yes, we're butterflies today.
Yes, and we're so grateful that we have a church family that'll help us follow up with these families, show them the love of Christ all through the year.